Hi, my name is Glen. I'm the manager here at the Hoffman Collision Center. I've been here just under 2 years. I've been awarded this opportunity from the Hoffmans, which I've never thought I would receive in my life. We've made some changes. We've expanded the shop. We've cleaned it up somewhat. It's a great place to work. Very family oriented. The Hoffmans are family oriented, and I here, as I explained to my team, is I'm not the boss. I'm the head coach of this team, and when needed, I become a player. But we do work as a team, and I emphasize that, and it's working great for me. And hopefully, this will be my last job before I retire. Hoffman's providing. And I'd like to thank you and thank the Hoffmans for this opportunity.